Hello, hi everyone. A very good day to all of you. So, this is the new video with our programming channel with the name of programming, you can say. So, today we'll be concluding with the next part of Qlikview getting started. Okay. So, in this video, we'll be sharing about how to create DSN, creation of connection string, how to import data in Qlikview, and what is inline table. So me as a beginner, I generally face the problems that how Qlikview is connected, or how Qlikview can get data from multiple sources, or you can say the different data sources, which is you can say that Oracle, SQL, or XML files, or some of the web files. So today we'll be generally discussing about that how to create DSN and how a connection string can be created, and how to import data in Qlikview, and what is an inline table. Okay. So moving forward, these are generally some of the steps that we use for creating a DSN. Go to ODBC, which may be 64-bit or 32-bit as per your machine configuration. So right now, in my machine, as it is having 64-bit configuration, so I will be using ODBC 64-bit right here. So go to the user DSN, click on the add button, create data source, and select the data source file from your local. Okay. So I will be telling you in practical that how we have to do that. Okay. Just type out here as ODBC, go to 64-bit, and then add, then use this Microsoft Access driver, and finish, and write the data source name as, you can say, let us start it, Qlikview DSN, and data source for tutorial. Then select, as I am having that that file in my D drive. Okay, under the DSN here D drive. So I will check it. Okay, and create. Okay, and then create. Okay. Okay, so this file have been created out here. You can say that, see here, Qlikview DSN. Okay, so this is how DSN is been created. The same way, when you are having the SQL Server database, you generally create like using like this only. So for that, what you do, you go to add, and here you select SQL Server, and then you select finish, and then here you will give the name of the server. For example, I or the IP of the server from which you have to connect. Here you give the description, and here you select the uh, SQL Server IP. Okay. So what is, as I am not having right now SQL Server database in my laptop, but I will be sharing this in my in my future videos. So after that, when you will click on next, it will pass for the username and password for making the DSN with the SQL Server. So either you have to put that username and password, and it will be verified whether these are the same password for the data source of the SQL Server, and in case if it is okay, then the DSN will be created. Okay, so let us move further with our slide. I'll be now go to the second slide. What you will see here, how to create a connection string. Okay, so you have created the DSN. So how we have to create a connection string in the Qlikview script editor. So open the Qlikview script editor, go to connect option at bottom of the window, go to the user DSN and select the DSN that you had created as per the steps above. Test the connection string, click on OK, and then go for the select button, and now you will be able to view all the tables, view and schema from your data source. So what we will do, we will open the Qlikview file here. Okay, we will open the Qlikview file here and we will go to connect, and as you are seeing, this DSN is right here, Qlikview DSN. We will check test the connection. It is saying connection test succeeded. Then we'll go in case if you are having a user and password, then you have to write it out here. Okay, then go for OK, and here connection string for that have been created as per ODBC Connect 2. Now you are able, so your Qlikview script editor, or you can say that your Qlikview is connected with that data source. Okay, now we'll go to our slide. So now we will try to import data with the help of that connection string that we have made into the Qlikview file. Okay, so these are some steps that I want to show, which I said that in case if you want to create a DSN while working with SQL database, so you use the same step as above. For connecting with SQL Server data source, you will need credential, username or password for connecting with database or service account credential. Or other than that, for connecting data sources with OLEDB, you can directly connect from Qlikview script editor. Okay. So now let us go on this topic, how to import data in Qlikview. So as you see that the connection string that we have made is here. Okay. Now we'll go to select. So as you are seeing that these are the list of the tables that are in this qwt.mtp data source. Let us select customer. Okay, so it will be seen like this: SQL select star from t data source qwt.mtp customer. So this is something when you are taking all the fields and you are not using the preceding load option in Qlikview. So what is preceding load option in Qlikview? I will be showing you that. Just try to import this table again. Go to select, go to customer, use preceding load. So the load, you are seeing this load statement, which is the syntax for Qlikview, selecting the columns and, from the tables. So you will see all the fields out here: customer ID, customer name, contact name, city, country, and all that. Okay, now you do OK. Now you can write like this: city as city name. So this field is in SQL Server it is as city, but you are renaming it as city name. Then go and reload your document. So let us save it in my desktop as name as of data source .qw. Okay, now you are seeing that all the fields are here. Okay, so this is the way that you can say that how we can import the data from multiple data sources. So this is the table viewer form of this. So shortcut for table viewer is Control T, or you can directly click uh, on the connection string here to see the table viewer format. Okay, so hope you get the knowledge that how you have to get connect with the how you have to create the data source and how you have to make the connection string and how you can import data from multiple sources. So let us go with other topic that I have included in this session, which will be how to create an inline table. So there are two options by which we can create an inline table. So one is this: insert, go to load statement, go for inline. Okay, then write the name of the field, let us say as customer, and let us say that a field, this field is sales. Yeah, you can say that city. So for customer ID 111, his city is Gurgaon. Customer ID 112, his city is Delhi. And for customer ID 113, his city is Bangalore. Okay, so you are seeing this is the syntax for inline. Okay, so you are getting city and customer tables are now being loaded. So this is one way of loading the, in case if you are having if you will be doing these things, then you can directly write this syntax like this: load star inline, okay, bracket started, and customer column name. You have to write the column name right here, customer name and city. So customer name 110 as Delhi, 111 as Gurgaon, 112 as Bangalore. Okay, and now so you will get the data like this. Okay, so these are some of the things we will covering some other important thing in the next session. In case of any question, you can write me on my mail ID, which is nathani.kamal1@gmail.com. Or in case if you want that qwt file that I have been using for the making the DSN, you can write a mail to on my mail ID. So and I will forward you that qwt file, because we will be using that qwt file for the main things in our next sessions. Okay, so this is my mail ID, you can write it out. Okay, hope you like this video. Please like our channel and also subscribe for our channel, and in case of any questions you can write it on the comment below. Okay, so thank you all. It was really good for learning something. Okay, thank you guys.